Alright, it's Sunday, August 4th, year 2019. Hang on. Come here. Come here. Alright. Well, there's Rockster. Sorry I blocked the view, but... And it looks like a little dusty, so excuse me for a minute. There we go. Hopefully that's better. There's Rockster. Just an update since the last time I did an update. God knows how long it's been. Some of my yard I didn't get finished cut yet last week. And, well... I don't know how well you can see this, but my grass clippings right in here. This is from 2 weeks. Then there's some up through there. I still gotta move around my car after I move it. I've got grass clippings like you won't believe. And here's the best part. It's coming up. I mowed and swept this area. You can see how bad my grass clippings are. And my grass, I don't leave good more. I cut it according to my mower deck, 3 inches, sometimes 4. But you can see I've got, yeah, I do mow towards the center so that I don't have to go all over the place. But I've never had it this bad unless I leave it go 2 or 3 weeks in the past years. But now onto the garden. Here's the start of my above ground, my garden boxes. I got the tarp down. I'm filling them in. This is from last week. I think I had 7 of them from last week, and I only did from the street to the property that way, that little area there, that little area up there, and this area up to my property line up there. And I got like 7 heaping yards full of grass clippings. That's why I can't believe it. Now, and let me do a couple more updates. Alright. This plant right here, that's a cucumber. These are my ghost peppers and habanero peppers, cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, bell peppers, herbs. Now, if I can do this right behind my herbs next to the tomato, you'll see. I don't know if I can get there, but I got Carolina Reaper, Pepper X, Carolina Reaper, Scorpion Pepper, and Death Spiral peppers. So, and I've got my other tomatoes. I got 2 pepper plants over there. They're kind of stuck in by weeds, but I had them out. Looks like my mint's dying again. Probably watered it last night. I think these are my yeah, that kind of pepper. I'm sorry that I'm here. I'm doing some weeding. Another one, but that's how I'm do it. I sweep the yard. I'll probably sweep it in the mornings, or I'll sweep it next Sunday. Fill that in. Then when fall comes and my plants die, I'll just stretch it out, and all my dead leaves I can get, more grass clippings than anything else I can get to put in there. Come this winter time, I know I will have ashes to put in there, more paper products, but it's coming, and I don't want to run this thing too long. Hopefully next weekend I get a lot more junk done, and we'll go from there. It was kind of a fire, but I don't know how well you can see. The clouds are a little dark, and when I was mowing it, it started to drizzle on me a little bit. But I gotta get it this done, but in order to get that done, I gotta get it picked up. In order to get it picked up, I've gotta get my shed back together again. I'll get it. Work on one thing at a time. And I'm working at it. I'm getting it. Even though sometimes I multitask. I can only do something for so long, and then I get bored. And I gotta do something else. I pick up my wood from there, put some in the fire, and then I borrowed one of my neighbors' pull behind carts, got that loaded up, got that covered up. Was gonna have a fire tonight, but I don't think I'm gonna have a fire. In other words, I'm more or less gonna just probably call it quits for the night. Get up tomorrow and see what's going on. I might just wait till Saturday or Sunday and sweep the yard and remow it. But there's my boy again. We gotta give you plenty of Rockster. Hey Rockster, looky, look at Daddy. Hey boy, say hi. Say hi. Okay, you want to go in? All right, you guys. It's a nice little update. Sorry I didn't have more, but okay. Rockster wanted his belly scratched. Okay. All right, you guys. Rockster says thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by and scratching his belly. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.